In this tutorial, we will learn about the tools available to students and all learners to help choose which post-secondary institution is right for them. To begin, we will hover over the Colleges tab, then scroll down to College Search. Here we will begin filling out our college preferences. We can click Begin to manually navigate ourselves through the tabs, or we can click Begin Interactive Interview, where we will be asked a series of questions that ultimately fill out our college preferences. On our first tab, Name and Location, in the bottom corner we can see that the database contains over 4,500 schools to search through. Here we have the option to choose the region, specific states. We can enter our home zip code and choose schools within a certain distance from our home. We also can search for a specific school name. The Academics and Scores tab gives us the option to search by the selectivity, how easy or hard it is to get into that school, the average GPA, ACT and SAT test scores. As you can see, as we fill out these preferences, the number of matches changes to find schools that match our preferences. When we've filled out all of our preferences, we'll click Save and go to the next tab, Size and Environment, where we can filter schools based on number of students, the type of university, religious affiliation, and environment. Our next tab, Sports and Campus Life. We can choose athletic programs and other campus activities we wish to have at our university. Our next tab, Cost and Attendance, we can enter the lowest we will pay and the highest we will pay for our college each year. Once we fill that out, we'll click Save and move on to the next tab, Majors. Here we can select a specific major we're interested in and make sure that our potential colleges offer that major. Like after all tabs, we'll click Save, then Show Matches. This will populate a list of all of the schools that have our college preferences. If we click this green plus sign, we will add it to our college list. If we click this green circle icon, it will bring up a map to show us where the college is so we can get a better idea of how convenient it might be for us. If we see a green check mark, it means we have already added it to our college list. Once we have added our desired schools from the college search to our college list, we'll click Save, create a specific name for that college search, and press Save. Once we have added schools to our college list, we'll come to the Colleges tab, click College List, and we can see all the schools from our college search that we added to our college list right here. In the right-hand corner, we can click College Compare, then click My College List. We'll select 3 or 4 schools we wish to compare side by side and decide which fits best for us. Once we've selected those schools, we want to select the criteria we wish to compare against. We'll click Show Comparison, and it'll bring us to a page with all of our schools and which ones meet our criteria. There is a yellow warning sign. This means it might not be the best match because it does not fit all the criteria from our college preference search. If there's a black check mark, it is a good match based on our saved college preferences. If you have any other questions, please feel free to reach us at 1-888-509-9761.